Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, you can check the amount of the calories burned on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that, and if you want to change the watch face, you can press and hold on the current one. It should open the watch face menu, and then you can scroll through the list, look for something that shows the calories burned, and then you can tap on it to select it and apply it, and here we have it. Next option is to do, or rather, next option you can choose is basically edit the watch face to display the calories burned, because you can edit the widgets on the watch face. And to do it, open the watch face menu, find the watch face you like, then tap on the edit icon under it, edit the colors or whatever you can, then swipe left, and here you have the complications, the widgets, and you can tap on one, scroll through the list, look for the health category, and in the health category you will see active calories, and you can tap on it, and then you can press the crown button to apply the changes, and the watch face will display the calories burned. Another way to check the calories burned is to open the activity menu, and you can do it in two ways. You can swipe left on the current watch face, the home screen, to open the activity widget. Here we have our calories burned. You can scroll down, I believe. No, you can scroll down. You need to tap on calories. Okay, to open this activity menu, then you can scroll down, and here we have the graph for the calories. You can also open the activity app by pressing the crown button to open the menu, tapping on the activity icon, the circle ones, and then tap on it to open the activity menu, scroll through it, find the calories, and here we have the calories displayed. And the last way to check the amount of the calories burned on your watch is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the O Health application on that phone. And once you open the app, you should see the health page, this one, the home page, and on it there should be daily activity. Here we have the calories burned, but if you want to see more detailed information, you can simply tap on the daily activity, find the active calories, tap on this arrow in the corner, and here we have daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly progression, and you can check your stats for the whole year if you want to. Okay, once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.